Good morning. It is currently 5 o'clock. Currently 5 a.m. Just arrived to the gym. We got a leg session this morning. I'm about to head inside and get to it. But today, I'm going to take you all through a full day of eating on just what a normal day would look like for me. Before we get to it, we got to get to this workout. Currently just sipping on my pre-workout. Pre-workout is from Clout Power. As always, code Caleb10 for 10% off. But without further ado, let's get into it.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes.
And just like that, the workout is over. It is now currently 6:15. Pretty simple leg day today. Took about an hour. Did some core at the end to wrap it up. But now it is time to head home for meal number 1.
Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through.
Meal number 1. This is about the meal I have almost every single morning. Definitely Monday through Friday. The weekends it'll change, but definitely Monday through Friday. This is the breakfast I have every single morning, and we're going with protein oats. I don't have a microwave, so I have to use, I think it's a pressure cooker. Starting off with 60 grams of just old-fashioned oats. Now that's 1.5 servings, so that's 225 calories. Water. After I get the water, I'm gonna go ahead and add my blueberries. Not too concerned. Just like that. Turn this on. Now, in addition to my oatmeal, I will also take my vitamins and my supplements every single morning. I don't have a huge supplement stack, or a line of supplements rather, that I'll take. Instead, I have my pre-workout that I'll take every morning before my workout, as well as my pump product. Both of these are from Clout Power. Now, also what I'll do is I'll mix in some creatine in there. I have started taking creatine again this year, just 5 grams a day. This is just your basic creatine you can buy from almost any grocery store, supplement store, nothing special. My vitamins, however, these are somewhat special. These are from a company called Juice Plus, and they specialize in whole food capsules. So inside of all of these little capsules are pulverized fruits, vegetables, berries, and also their omega blend. So these are pretty special. I've been taking these now for about a year, and it's essentially helping me bridge the gap between getting my fruits and vegetables in every day, what I should be eating, and what I actually eat. So I take these every morning. Also, some people ask me, how do I drink more water? Usually my first recommendation is invest in a good water bottle. This one is from a brand called Owala, and I actually have 2 of them. These are my favorite water bottles I've ever had. They have flip top, and on the cap, they have both a straw in the front, or you can throw it back, but That's good. All right, I can smell the oatmeal. So let's, ooh, not looking too bad. Just a little stir. Now the blueberries are obviously gonna make it blue and purple, but. Arguably my favorite part of the morning, first sip of coffee. The oatmeal's ready to go, so I'm gonna dish it out and I'll show you the final product. So now to truly make this a protein oatmeal, we need protein. I'm going with peanut butter cookie from PE Science, their select protein. And I'm gonna go with 1 serving, which is about 32 grams. On the money. Oatmeal is all mixed up and it's blue or purple. Now to top it off, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix up some of this PB Fit, about half a serving of this, get it to a peanut butter consistency, and then I'm also gonna throw on some sugar-free maple syrup just to top it off. So I just finished plugging everything into my MyFitnessPal, and this meal comes out to 407 calories, 36 grams of protein, 53 grams of carbs, and only 6 grams of fat. Now I'm also very fortunate that I get to work from home. So usually what I'll do in the morning is while I eat my breakfast, I'll check my email, get my stuff ready for the workday, and then get to it. So I'll check in with you all when we come back for meal number 2, which will be in a couple of hours. It has been quite the morning, to say the least. Work has been really busy today, so I actually missed a meal earlier. Usually I'll eat around 10:30 or so. I ate this morning around 7:30 and I'll eat again around 10 to 10:30, and I missed it. It's also now 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten since 7:30 this morning. So in here I have 4 ounces of ground turkey, as well as 1 serving of jasmine rice. Now what I like to do is I like to put this in the pan with some kale and get that sauteed up. I'll throw in some sauce and make a little stir fry.
So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
So like I mentioned earlier, this would normally be broken up into 2 different meals. The eggs would be one and the ground turkey and rice would be another. But because I missed it, I'm gonna just go ahead and combine the 2. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of sriracha. Who knows? This might become a new staple. Make sure I get a little bit of everything in this bite. Pretty good. It's really good, actually. Okay. And now this meal in total comes out to be 524 calories, 39 grams of protein, 46 grams of carbs, and 18 grams of fat. Just wrapped up work for the day. It's about 5:30 p.m., which means it's time for meal number 4. We gotta go grocery shopping. So we just arrived at HEB and it is poppin'. One thing I knew about moving to Austin, Texas was that HEB was about to become my new grocery spot. Heard so many good things about it, how could it not? We have almost a full run that we gotta do because I'm almost out of food at the house. So let's get inside and let's get to it. get this all presentable, and then I'll show y'all what I got. Everything is laid out and presented in like any good fitness YouTuber does. I laid it out by my proteins, carbs, fats. I don't have a lot of fats, and then some miscellaneous. So let's start over here with the protein. First off, chicken. Now I tend to go for chicken tenderloins over chicken breasts simply because I think they're easier to cook. I usually just throw them in the air fryer, and these come out perfect every time. I also got some organic ground beef, 90% lean, 10% fat. I also got some Deli Ham. Don't sleep on Deli Ham. The macros on this for 4 slices are 70 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. These are perfect. I put them in my omelets. I'll put them in a wrap. These are awesome. I also got some cottage cheese just because I love cottage cheese. And this also, macros are great. 90 calories per serving, 13 grams of protein. I got some whole eggs, and I'm just now realizing that I forgot egg whites. Usually I get egg whites as well, but I guess we're gonna stick with the whole eggs for now. I've been seeing a lot of hype on these on TikTok, Instagram, but these Fiber One 70 calorie brownie bars, yeah, these are chocolate fudge, and I also got the cinnamon coffee cake. I've never seen these before. I saw them, had to get them. So, got these. Now for the main source of carbs, I picked up these Heb Flour Tortillas. I love tortillas. I picked up some English muffins, just nothing special about these, just some good old original English muffins. I have some green peppers and some onions for flavor, of course. Picked up some spinach, and then I got these reduced fat wheat thins. I actually dip my wheat thins into the cottage cheese. You also put a little bit of cinnamon on them. It is amazing, high protein snack, and it just tastes great. It's delicious. I also picked up 2 packets of cheese from Heb. Both are fat-free, mozzarella and cheddar. I got some Silk unsweetened vanilla almond milk. 2 of those because I love that stuff. Really the only source of fat that I have is avocado oil. I don't cook anymore with vegetable, sunflower oil, nothing like that. It is either avocado oil or extra virgin olive, but I prefer avocado. I also picked up some strawberry fruit spread, just strawberry jam from Heb, because I also love strawberry jelly. I got some spicy ketchup, the Whataburger. I've never tried this before. I saw it, had to give it a shot. Picked up some coffee, and then just some energy drinks and some sparkling water. So this is the run for tonight. I have everything else as far as my protein powder, my oats, and my rice. Otherwise, those would be included as well. But that's everything. So I'm gonna get this packaged away, and then it's time to cook meal number 4. I got those wraps that I picked up from Heb with 8 ounces of chicken tenderloins. I got some spinach, some grilled onions and peppers, and then some of that fat-free mozzarella cheddar cheese on top. Also have a beautiful side of some veggies. And I'm gonna top these with everybody's trusted friend, G. Hughes. Sweet and spicy, sugar-free barbecue sauce. Two-hand job. That's what she... So I just plugged everything into my MyFitnessPal. It comes out to be 600 calories, 74 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, and only 10 grams of fat. Now right now I'm not following a specific meal plan. I am tracking my calories and my macros, but I'm not being super specific. I have a target goal every day, but I'm giving myself a range just to get as close as possible. So how I get around doing that is I keep the earlier part of my day the same, and I keep it very simple. And then dinner is really where I start to bring in the variety. I love tortillas, so I'll wrap chicken in tortillas, steak in tortillas. I'll make eggs and protein pancakes, or that's when I go out with my friends. Now, if you're gonna go out for dinner and you're worried about going over your calories, is it the biggest deal in the world? No. But if you're staying consistent over the long term, it's not gonna make a huge impact on you. I guess the goals that I'm trying to hit is I try to hit about 2,000 calories every day. That is a slight caloric deficit for me. I try to hit roughly 185 grams of protein, about 200 to 210 grams of carbs, and then I try to stay below 60 to 65 grams of fat. If I go a little bit over, it's fine. And if I'm a little bit under, that's fine too. I try to eat to how I feel. That's where I'm at right now. And right now I'm feeling hungry. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll catch in with you all later on if I decide to do a meal 5. So I am just getting ready to wrap up the night, at least the full day of eating portion. And I'm gonna have my little nightcap. So I have 1 scoop of the PE Science Frosted Chocolate Cupcake Protein. That's a mouthful. 1 scoop of that and about 1.5 cups of almond milk. And then, like I said, had to try one of these Fiber One brownies. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little smaller than what I was expecting, but I mean, yo, for 70 calories, I could definitely do that. Definitely need something to wash it down with, but very good, especially for the end of the night when I'm craving something sweet. So the total macros for the day, I had 174 grams of protein, 163 grams of carbs, and 45 grams of fat to come out to 1,781 calories. That's a bit of a lower day, but a lot of my meals, or at least meal 2, definitely got pushed back quite a bit. So I wasn't as hungry throughout the day as I usually am if I am actually able to spread my meals out. There's my first full day of eating and a little bit of a grocery haul. So I hope you all enjoyed that. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my latest videos. And whether you're watching this at night, in the morning, make it a great day on purpose. I gotta get back to work, so you all gotta go. See ya.